friends, it's so good to see you. Today's activity is all about getting outside. I'm going to go on a nature color scavenger hunt. Wish me luck, here I go. I'm going to see if I can find things from nature that match each of these beautiful colors. Something that is red, brown, light green, dark green, something that is pink, purple, yellow, and orange. Let's see how I did. I got a couple different flowers, a pine cone, some rocks, and 2 shades of green for my leaves. Can you find all the colors? I challenge you to make up your own nature color scavenger hunt. Get outside, explore, and have some fun.